Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine and doing best in your life. May Allah bless us and accept our prayers. Today in this video, I want to share a miraculous story, powerful story, motivational story. If you listen this, inshallah ta'ala, you will start doing istighfar, durood sharif, zikr askar, and you will see blessings in your life. This is the story of a man. He says that I was in Saudi Arabia and doing job, and alhamdulillah, my salary was 12,000 rayal. My life was happy, and I have a small family. I have a wife, and we were very happy. But after some time, what happened that there was some problem in my company, and company fired many employees, and in that employees, I was also included. So I was fired from my job. Now I was searching job, but I was not getting job there. Even 1 month or 2 months passed. So one day I said to my wife that we are living here in a rented house. We had to pay the rent and other expenses, and we did not have any work. Our saving is ending. So why don't we go back our previous home, which is our own home? Why don't we go back our city? So we don't have to pay the rent, and where many people know us, so might possible we can get some work there. So my wife said, you are right, we should shift our previous home, our own home. So we talked to the people and talked to the company who transferred things and materials from home to the other home. So the people came, loaded our things, articles in a truck, and that time it was a time of Maghrib Salah. I said to my wife, I should perform Salah here, and then we also go back to our new home. So that man said, I went to mosque, and when I started performing Salah, the Imam Sahab recited Surah Nu Aya in Salah. فَقُلْتُ اسْتَغْفِرُوا رَبَّكُمْ إِنَّهُ كَانَ غَفَّارًا يُرْسِلِ السَّمَاءَ عَلَيْكُمْ مِدْرَارًا وَيُمْدِدْكُمْ بِأَمْوَالٍ وَبَنِينَ وَيَجْعَلْ لَكُمْ جَنَّاتٍ وَيَجْعَلْ لَكُمْ أَنْهَارًا. That Allah said, ask forgiveness of your Lord. Indeed, He is ever a perpetual forgiver. He will send rain from the sky upon you and showers, and give you increase in wealth and children, and provide for you gardens, and provide for you rivers. So he said that. I listened these ayah, came back home, shifted my house to our new house, and then that was the time of Isha Salah. I went to the mosque, another mosque, and in that mosque, the Imam Sahib again recited these ayah of Surah Nu in Salah. I was surprised to listen that, but I started performing Salah, completed Salah, came back home and arranged the things. In Fajr Salah, I went to the another mosque to perform Salah. And in the same Salah, the Imam Sahab recited Surah Nu Aya. I was surprised that in 3 Salah, I listened the same ayah. I came back home. I told whole the story to my wife and said that there is some hint that we should recite istighfar. That's why in every Salah, I received a message from that ayah. Then my wife said, we need to do istighfar. Might possible, if we do istighfar, Allah will help us and give us what we want in our life. Then me and my wife started reciting istighfar. The whole day we kept saying Astaghfirullah, 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 because we did not have any work, we did not have children, and I did not have job. Just I went to the mosque to perform Salah, and after came back home, I kept reciting istighfar, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. That man said, one day, when I went to perform Salah in the mosque, there was a man who was on wheelchair, and after performing Salah, his wheelchair was not working. So I helped him, and I helped him to go back home. When I reached his home, I saw his home was very big, and he was a rich man. And I said to him that I can fix your wheelchair. I went to the mechanic, and there was some small issue in the wheelchair. It was fixed. When I again went back that old man home, that man was old, near to 80 years. So I returned his wheelchair and said that this is your wheelchair. That old man said to me, I will not go back you without anything. You have to take tea with me. Then I took tea with him, and I told about something that I did not have job. I am free nowadays. So that old man asked, "What was your salary?" I said that 12,000 rayal. That man went back in the room and came back with an envelope and gave that envelope to me and said that 13,000 rayal in it. You can take it and fulfill your expenses and need. I was so happy that just because of istighfar, without work, Allah gave me 13,000 riyal. I came back home. I gave it to my wife, and me and my wife started more and more istighfar. We kept doing istighfar whole day, and I kept meeting with that old man. I kept talking with him, helping him in his work and other thing. One day I received a call. When I talked to that person, he said that I am a son of that old man whom you serve, and my father is very happy with you. So I want to offer a job. That my father's driver did not stay for long just because of my father's behavior. So I want you to serve my father as a driver. And my father told me that you were earning 12,000 riyal in your previous job. I would give you 15,000 riyal. But just look after my father as well. Not only serve for his driver, but also helped him in his task and other things and spend some time with him. Because just because of work, we cannot give time to our father. So it is my request. So he was so happy that I did not do anything. And I just have to serve that man, help him. And I was starting earning 15,000 riyal. I was so happy. And again, I started doing istighfar again and again. I kept saying astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah whole day. And alhamdulillah, the day came when old man who had a business of real estate when any property sold. So he also gave me some profit. So my money was increasing, wealth was increasing without doing any work, without doing any effort. The old man was very happy with me because I served him, I looked after him, I talked to him, I spent time with him. So whatever he earned, he also gave me some profit. So that was the blessing of istighfar. Without any work, without any job, I started earning 15,000 riyal and sometime more than this just because of blessing of astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. So this is what when you do istighfar, Allah showered blessing upon you. Allah will give you wealth, Allah will give you health, Allah will give you everything which you want in your life. But just do istighfar with the bottom of your heart and started repenting on your sin. So see that how the things will be arranged in your life, how the success, money, and everything will come to you. Just in that story, we can see that without doing anything, a man started earning more than his previous job just because of saying astaghfirullah whole day. So keep doing istighfar, keep asking forgiveness from Allah. May Allah bless us, may Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.